Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 14 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 2264, largest 3 same digit number in a string. Okay, so we need to return the largest 3 same digit number, right? So let's read the problem statement. You are given a string num representing a large integer. An integer is good if it meets the following conditions. It is a substring of num with length 3. And what is substring? A substring is a contiguous sequence of characters within a string, right? And it consists of only one unique digit, right? We have to return the maximum good integer as a string or an empty string if no such integer exists. Okay, we have to return the maximum good integer, right? So here, if you see example number 1, so in num we have this, if you see this 777, so this is a good integer, right? Same way this 333 is also good integer, this 33 is also good integer, right? So among these three, only two are unique, right? So there are two distinct good integers, one is 777 and one is 333, right? Among them 777 is the largest, right? So we have to return that. Here example number 2, only 000 is the only good integer, right? So we have to return this. Here, if you see in this example number 3, no substring of length 3 consists of only one unique digit, right? So therefore, there are no good integers. Okay, so very simple. And these are the constant size, num.length from 3 to 1000, and num only consists of digits only. Now here, how we are going to solve this problem? So here, just take this example. So we have 6, 7, 7, and 7, and then we have 1, and then we have 4 threes, right? And then we have 9, right? So I'm going to start from here. So if I'm starting from here, I will check this substring, right? So in this substring, I'm going to compare all the elements. Then I will check this substring. The next time I will check this substring. Okay. And in the end, I will stop here. Okay. So last time I will be here. Okay. Because from here, I'm going to check this substring. Okay. Of length 3. Then after that, if I move my I here, then I will go out of one, right? I need 3 elements. So I will just check this substring first, then this substring, then this substring. And if all the elements are same, then I will take that as one good integer, right? And I will see this as good integer. I will see this 3 as good integer. Okay, this 333. And then among them, I have to take the max one always, right? So very simple. Let's write the code. Nothing complex here. So what you need to do here? Let's create one string. Max good is equal to this, and we have to run simple single loop here, right? For int I is equal to 0, and here I is less than equal to num dot length, right? And here minus 3, and here I plus plus. Okay, and inside this take one sub. Okay, string sub is equal to num dot here substring, and this substring is starting from I is inclusive, and here I have to write I plus 3. I plus 3 index is exclusive. Okay, so that simply means I plus 1 and I plus 2 I want to take, only 3 elements, right? Now here I have to just compare all the elements in my sub. So here sub dot char at 0 index. Okay, char at 0, it should be equal to sub dot char at 1. All right, and just copy the same thing, okay, here, and paste it here, and here sub dot char at 1. Let's say if it is equal to 2, right? So this is what we need to compare, right? And here, if this is the case, right, and all the 3 elements are same, then in that case here I will just check if my max good, okay, if my max good is equal to empty string. Okay, it equals, and here I will just say empty. Okay, if this is the case, or here sub dot compare to. Okay, I will just compare this current substring. Okay, compare to the previous max good. Okay, if it is not empty, because I need to return the largest one, right? So here, if this value comes out to be positive, okay, greater than 0, right? So that simply means that my max good, I have to update it with sub now. Okay, and in the end, here your for loop ends. You have to simply return max good. That's it. Okay, now let's run the code. So see, all the test cases has been accepted, right? Now let's submit it. The time complexity for this problem is going to be of n only. Okay, reason is we are running this main loop first, okay, where we are iterating over complete length of this num. Okay, so let's say of n, and here's in the substring I only am taking the length 3, right? Always, right? So very small. So I will say that time complexity is of n. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.